Welcome back to Moto Craze, where today we're taking a deep dive into a classic reborn, the 2025 Honda Shadow 750. A legendary name in the cruiser world, the Shadow series has always stood for reliability, smooth performance, and that unmistakable laid-back attitude. And with this latest update, Honda proves once again that timeless doesn't mean outdated. At first glance, the 2025 Shadow 750 keeps the soul of its predecessors alive. Its long, low silhouette, chunky fenders, and broad handlebars scream traditional cruiser. But look closer, and you'll notice subtle refinements. The new LED headlamp, revised tail section, and sleeker exhaust design give it a more modern edge while preserving its vintage roots. The chrome accents pop beautifully against the new paint options, especially the deep metallic black and crimson red shades. Underneath that sculpted tank lies a tried and tested 745cc liquid-cooled V-twin engine, tuned for strong low-end torque and a smooth, predictable power curve. It delivers about 44 horsepower and 65 Newton-meters of torque, which might not sound like much on paper, but on the road, it translates to effortless cruising. Paired with a 5-speed transmission and shaft drive, the Shadow 750 offers a refined ride with almost zero maintenance fuss. The seating is one of its standout features. With a low seat height around 25.8 inches, it's accessible for a wide range of riders. The ergonomics are spot on for long-distance comfort, foot-forward pegs, a wide saddle, and a relaxed riding triangle that makes every ride feel like a vacation. The analog-digital hybrid instrument cluster is mounted on the tank, keeping the cockpit clean while still offering useful readouts like fuel gauge, odometer, and trip meters. Honda has also improved the suspension slightly for 2025, giving it a more planted feel over bumps. Braking is handled by a single disc at the front and drum at the rear with optional abs, which is effective though not aggressive. This setup reinforces the bike's smooth, easygoing nature. Top speed clocks in just under 160 km per hour, but where the Shadow 750 really shines is cruising at 90 to 110 km per hour. That's its sweet spot, stable, smooth, and confident. Pricing starts around 7.5 lakh rupees ex-showroom, placing it firmly in the midsize cruiser segment. For riders who want a dependable, stylish V-twin that won't demand too much from the wallet or the wrench, the 2025 Honda Shadow 750 is a solid, soulful choice. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ride along with us here at Moto Craze for more honest motorcycle reviews every week.